of everything you just said.
Yeah, nothing important.
Okay, well, how was this homework? It was a bit much.
I feel like I don't understand it.
Oh.
Are you doing good, Caitlin?
I don't know. I felt like this week was better than last week for me.
Oh, gosh.
No, this week was not good.
Oh. Yeah, that's how I felt last week, though, so that's okay.
It's okay, we'll just flip-flop.
Yeah.
And hopefully one of us will understand.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What me up the most is the difference between like the first group minus the second group, and then or like I can get those.
Yeah.
Like I think that's what trips me up.
Yeah.
Sometimes I think, like with especially one that there's so much stuff like this one, I like don't feel like I learn until we do these group quizzes.
Oh.
I was like trying to understand, like, trying
True.
to put everything in
So
place.
true.
But I just like could not like wrap my head around what it was asking me to do. I did appreciate that in the chapter, it seemed like it was easier to figure out like what formulas to use. Like as I was reading the chapter, it like seemed like it was outlined very well, so that I could figure out, okay, like this is what I'm supposed to be using now. But it's still like so much stuff to do.
Yeah, but just matching like the equation to the problem, but then maybe not 100% knowing how to do the equation, but knowing it's there.
Yep.
Yeah. Double the too, like with the requirements and stuff. Anyway, so I think if I can just get it all straight in my head, it will be okay.
Yeah, I agree.
We'll see.
And Caitlin's gonna teach us all of it.
Yeah, go Caitlin. Woo!
Oh gosh. Yeah, we'll see if it's actually good when we start.
I'm excited.
Do you want to go over the home post? Too bad. The Excel wasn't bad at all.
Yeah.
Sometimes the concepts.
Oh yeah, should we start?
Yeah.
Have either of you heard the new Taylor Swift CD?
Oh my gosh. No.
It's really good.
Yeah, I'm there. Okay, hold on. I'm just gonna.
Now I'm like feeling confused that maybe I don't know it as well as I thought I did. Oh no.
You probably do.
Yeah, you'll be fine.
Doesn't you ain't doing it right? I'll be missing for the rest of my life.
Okay. Okay. So does everybody have number 3 already?
I think so.
Because it's just the 52 divided by 70.
Yeah. Did you get 0.743?
Yep.
All right, and then question 4, we just do the same thing for the other data set. Did you get 0.712?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
I don't want to.
Number 5 is about the thing that I get confused on.
This has literally been confusing us since we met.
So, oh my goodness, I don't know if, what the heck, because it's the sample, right? So if it's just a P, it's the population, but it's like X bar, it's the sample, right?
Hold on, I gotta find it.
And everyone's like, okay, let's look back in the homework.
Yeah.
So good.
Okay, so P is the U. Is that what you're talking about? No? Yes? Maybe?
Yeah, is that what you're talking about?
Yeah, like
What?
P is mu, and then P hat is like X bar.
Yeah.
And I don't get why there's just P on one side and then P and the hat on the other side. Like, or
It'd be the same, I think.
different.
Because if they were different, that would mean that you're comparing the whole population to the sample, which you're not. You're just comparing the sample to the sample. So,
Mm-hmm.
at least from what I understand.
This distinctive, the null to the alternate is the either it's like different, equal to, or like greater than, less than, right?
Yeah.
We have to do stuff to find that out, though, correct?
Do stuff to find what?
The answer to this? For the alternative?
Well, wait, what do you mean do stuff?
Do we need to do math?
No. It's in the question.
We have to think, like, we have to think about it.
Okay.
It's the first one.
Yeah, where it's not equal.
Keeping it the
That's what I
same. Yeah,
Not equal?
because they want to see the difference.
if it's different, yeah.
Different. Okay.
Do you understand, Taylor?
If it's as simple as I think it is, then yes, I understand it. But for some
Okay.
reason, as I was reading the textbook, I felt like it was more complicated. But I don't. I think that it's that. So I feel good about it. And I'm
Okay.
relieved.
Yeah, this one's a simple one.
Okay.
It gets into harder things later, but
Okay. I think I'm just getting it all kind of like jumbled up. All right, next. Create a 95% confidence interval for P1 minus P2. Input your answers for the point estimate margin of error, lower bound and upper bound.
okay.
Okay.
We plug this in, right? We can plug that in
Yeah,
to Excel.
I'm just forgetting the equation to find point estimate. Oh,
I'm gonna input it real quick.
Wait, so what represents the point estimate? I forgot.
is it the mean? But then, hold on.
Uh-huh.
Then the point estimate, both like the difference almost, which we didn't.
The mean of the sample is the point estimate.
Oh,
Yeah, so are we searching for
Are we what?
Are we looking for p hat then?
like P1 minus the mean of P1 minus the mean of P2?
So I have an equation to find p hat, and it's x1 plus x2 over n1 plus n2. I've never used it before, but
Oh,
and I don't really know if that's.
I think you might
I
be
don't
right.
know.
You're probably right, because I've got that equation down too.
Okay.
Okay. What did you get? Oh, I got. My computer
Well.
lags, and so I say like hear you, and then I start talking, and then I'm like, oh wait, I heard you start saying these things. Anyway, I got 0.72.
Nice.
Yeah, with rounding, 0.729.
That's what I got as well.
I put it in the computer and got 0.743.
That's what I have.
Oh.
I don't know.
Wait, what do you mean you put it in the computer? Like, hold on, did you use Excel for that one?
Yeah. Comes out as your p hat 1.
Yeah.
Oh, but that's the p hat for just the first sample, and then the p hat for just the second sample.
Okay. Wait, so what do I do with those two then?
So we're just like subtracting. Oh wait, hold on. Let me see.
I add them together and then divide them by 2?
Well, because
No.
in the equation, it was like you add the x's, like x1, x2, and then divide that by combining the samples. So it's the equation is x1 plus x2 by n1 plus n2.
Wait, well, so what did you get when you got that?
Yeah, I got 0. Let me see if it works.
You got
Rachel.
0.72 what?
9.
My cheating way, I got 0.728.
2.8.
Yeah, but it wasn't the right way to do it.
Because I'm trying to find where I got that.
So the equation is in
I'm
textbook.
confused. So equate that equation. That is P. What? It doesn't mention anything about the.
I know.
Looking in the homework, and it's like.
So frustrating. Or margin of error, which is the next one.
That is going to be a nice little equation.
A little one? You mean it?
Do I mean what? That it's going to be so
Little?
fun?
Is that the one where it's minus p2 hat minus z square root of, and then it's got the 2.
Yeah, so I think the margin of error is just the z square root part.
Oh, okay, from the z square and the square root.
Yeah. Just like it was last chapter. That's something different.
Oh. Okay. Yeah. Oh no, I did that wrong with my cat. Starting over.
gosh.
Okay. Fingers crossed. I think I might have done it right, but I have no idea.
Well, okay, I have an answer too. What'd you get?
0.154.
Oh my gosh, so did I.
I think we did something right then. Whoop, whoop.
What did you do? Because I didn't get that.
Oh, Taylor.
Can you tell
Did
me the
into my
equation?
graph with a lot of parentheses. Here, maybe I'll try it a different way and see if I can get all the P's or what P has and stuff.
Taylor, did you watch the videos?
I didn't watch the videos.
They were really helpful.
Survive.
I watched the video.
Yeah, the video had a lot of the equations that we had to have.
Oh, really?
Yeah. I guess you can look. So do you have the textbook open, Taylor?
Yeah.
Okay. So pretty close to the bottom where it's like, hold on, I'm trying to find it. Okay, it's like the Fox tracks, right? It's like number 3 confidence intervals.
Uh-huh.
Okay, so underneath the picture, underneath the chart, there's like this huge long equation.
Uh-huh.
Okay, so the part from the z-score, like z times square root p hat 1, you see that?
Yeah.
Okay, so you'll take the z and everything to the right of it, and that's when you'll plug it in to get the margin of error.
Okay.
I just did it the long way, and it also works that way.
Yeah, I did it the long way the first time, and that's what I got. So.
Oh, true. Yeah, I just did like each, like, the first time I just played, like, I did a lot of parentheses in my graphing calculator and just stuck it all in there, hoping it would be right. And then the second time I just calculated that first, like, P1, like, chunk, and then got the answer. And then I did the P2 chunk, got the answer, and then just did the z-score over both P chunks, and it worked. The same. Yeah. Sweet.
I have it all written out. I can do the math later.
Okay.
Just so we can move on.
Just so you have the equation, I think that'll be good.
Yeah. I have it all. I have everything plugged in. I just will do the calculating.
But I'm a bit confused. Wait, okay. I have a theory about the point estimate.
Okay.
If you subtract minus P2 0.1, and so I wonder if it's just the point estimate is like the middle between the two P hats. And
that's what
then
I
when
do.
Wait,
that's
So
you did?
when I divided them, it was 0.728. Well, 7275. So it was pretty close to what we calculated the first time.
that's what I did when I said
Oh.
I did it the cheating way, but I did. That's what I thought I was supposed to do.
Yeah, so if it's wrong, then we'll know that that's what you do.
Oh, good. Wait, what? Oh, hold on. Oh, wait. 155. Oh, but you got 0.728.
0.7275.
Okay, so that
And then rounded to 0.78.
Yeah. Oh, that makes sense. Okay, so then that's what we use with the margin of error. Bound, lower bound.
So what is the lower bound?
Like the equation for it or the answer?
Oh, the lower bound is that.
No, or
Sorry.
it's
I pointed at my
it's no, it's okay. Oh,
when I said
you're
so
okay. What does that mean?
I'm sorry for that.
Oh, I thought you were meaning that as in like our last answer. And I was like,
I know, I was like,
Sorry.
I can't see what you're pointing at.
So I'm gonna go ahead and do the math real quick,
Okay.
if you don't mind. Sorry.
Oh, good.
You're good.
I'm trying to figure out why this other equation went weird for me.
I'm scared to say what I got because I don't want it to be wrong.
Nah. We'll just make fun of you if you get it wrong. It's fine.
Okay, lower bound 0.003, upper bound 3.476.
So I didn't get that.
Okay.
Yeah, Caitlin, did you get 0.574?
No. Oh gosh.
You didn't get that either? What the heck?
Nope. Okay, so here's what I did first. I just looked at the confidence interval on Excel. But then when I did the equation, I got roughly the same thing, like exactly the same thing, actually.
So negative 0.123 and 0.185.
Yeah. Because you take the p hat 1 minus the p hat 2, and then add and subtract your margin of error. And I got the same thing. So what did you guys do?
And just took the margin of, or the point estimate and minus the margin of error from that. And then that's what I did.
I think the point estimate's a little different because it's divided.
The what?
Because it's divided by the n.
Oh, yeah.
Equation isn't.
Oh, that's so annoying. Okay, wait. So explain one more time how you got the confidence intervals. Like,
Okay. Yeah. Did you write down this huge equation that was like, it was the margin of error, but in front of it, it was the p hat 1 minus p hat 2?
yes.
Yeah, okay. So I just used that.
Oh, I get it.
And then I plugged in my margin of error.
Oh.
That would make a really big difference. Oh, okay, because I'm not using the point estimate. I'm just using okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
This takes so long. Oh, yeah, I got the same thing. Oh.
Hey, guess what? I did it.
Oh, good.
Woohoo.
I was hoping for some good news.
Written in pink ink.
Wow.
That's impressive.
Thank you.
Okay. Are you guys ready to move on?
Yes, please.
Okay. Okay, so we good for number 10? I can't really hear Rachel, but
I'll put my face closer to my laptop. P-value, that's the one, 0.693. Bigger than 0.05, so fail to reject the null hypothesis.
Yeah.
Whew. Got that one.
Oh gosh, I hate questions like question 11. But guess what? I think I did good on all of these on the test.
Did you not?
What?
I was asking if you thought you did good, but then you ended up not doing good. So I was
Oh,
just
me?
wondering. Yeah.
Oh no, I did good.
Okay, so you're saying you know you did well. Okay, good.
I, yeah, I did. I liked the test.
Okay.
So for 11, I feel like it's D.
Yeah, the last one? Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh
For
my
the next
goodness.
9 questions, there's 9 more questions.
We're doing people that die.
I think 12 is true.
Oh, whoa. I'm still putting this.
Yes, I think so too.
Oh, whoa. Yes, true.
Isn't it so nice? You're like, I don't have to test them. It says, oh, they're above 10. We're good.
Yep.
They're just really, really huge.
Yep. Okay, 13. What'd you say, Taylor? I feel like I can't hear anybody.
I mumbled to myself, so we're fine.
Okay, I was like, oh, great. I feel like it's the last one again.
Because it's the week, hold on, it's weekday is less
Weekday versus
than
week.
weekend, right?
Yeah.
Week, weekday is P1, so P1 is less than P2.
Agreed.
Right.
Are you okay with that?
One.
What? I can't hear anyone if anyone's saying anything. But I think the answer to number 14 is 0.141.
That's what I got.
And then 15, I think it's 0.145.
1 4 1 2.
Yes. And Taylor, I did get 145 as well.
Awesome.
You think the z-score in Excel works?
Yeah.
The whole thing.
Yeah, do we trust that?
I guess we're going to find out.
Yeah, I'm happy with it.
You got negative 2.020, right?
Yep.
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
The
yeah.
z-score from the last question, which should be, wait, which should you shade? The left or the right of the z-score for the p-value? Left.
I say left as well.
Left.
This isn't the one where it's skewed to the right and you only do the right side.
No, I don't think so.
So,
Because it's less than, so you shade left. What'd you guys get for your p-value?
0.022.
Oh, good. Me too.
Whoa. P-value. Oh, hold on. I was just looking on there and I did the 0. Wait.
What's up?
Oh, that's it? Oh. Okay, makes sense. Yeah.
Woo!
And since it's, so for question 19, sure. Yeah, it's smaller. So we
Reject.
reject the null hypothesis. Reject.
Rejected.
Okay.
Number 20, I got there is sufficient evidence. Letter C. How about that? Too long.
It's
Agreed.
less than this. Yep. Yep. I got that too. Because weekday is less than the weekend. So they're
Yeah.
great. Oh, wow, we're done already? What?
Oh, I feel like it took forever.
I'm submitting.
Me too. It looks like we missed one.
Oh, yep. One.
Yeah, it was the point estimate one.
Okay, well, what did you put for that one?
0.729.
I put 0.728 and also got it wrong.
Okay. Oh.
Do you think it's actually like where you subtract the P1 minus P2 and it's like the 0.031? Because I got those with that wrong. I'll try it and we will see.
0.03, is that what you said?
Let's see. That's not it either.
What did you answer?
Not that one. Oh, I just did the one where you minus P1 minus P2 and got 0.031. That's not it, by the way.
That's so weird. That's all my options.
Wait, what? Wrong one. Oh, I'm so. I put it on the margin of error instead of the point estimate. Oh, never mind.
Oh,
Yeah. But I put it on. I was in a hurry to put it on the wrong one.
gotcha.
Ooh.
Still not a terrible score.
Yeah.